guys, today I want to share with you a simple fall makeup look with this look. It's kind of a rosy pink neutral with a little bit of color look. That's a long explanation, but I love this look just for a quick kind of everyday look that's more than just like true nude. It has a little bit of pink, a little bit of sparkle on the eyelids, and I just think it's a really pretty everyday look for fall. You get some rose gold, you get some shimmer, and it's kind of warm, kind of romantic. So if you want to see how I created this everyday fall look, keep watching. Okay guys, to start my rose gold fall look, I'm going to go in the Anastasia brow powder again and just fill in my brows by following the natural line.
When night chases the sun away, you remain. When light takes over the dark again, where do you stay? 'Cause I can see it's written on your face.
Next, I'm going to use my Clinique foundation again and just dot that all around my face and blend it in with a brush.
I just wanna feel it. I just wanna feel it.
Okay, now I'm going to go back with the Shape Tape Tarte Concealer and go under my eyes really lightly because this is pretty thick. And then I'm just going to hit that with my fingers.
All alone at last, feel the pressure building up. You take my hand, we
Okay, perfect. I am just going to set a little bit with the Coty Airspun just around the spots where my makeup tends to loosen over time. Just gonna dab a tiny bit on a big brush and just kind of pat it into my face. Perfect. Okay. For the eyes today, I really want to do something kind of rose gold, almost neutral, but still really pretty and warm for fall. So I am going to use this Maybelline palette I got at the grocery store a couple months ago. And I'm just going to kind of play around with the different shades in this palette. I'm going to start by just taking this lightest neutral shade with a big fluffy brush and putting it all over my lid. There's not much color with this, it's just kind of a base. Okay, next I'm going to take a much smaller eyeshadow brush and take this more shimmery shade and I'm going to dab that on my lid. It's light, but it's pretty. Okay, next I'm going to take the really dark shade on the bottom and I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to put it more on the tip of the brush, almost like you would if you were using an eyeliner. And I'm going to start in the outer corner of my eye and kind of fan it down here. And then I'm going to fan it up into my crease as well to give a little bit of like a daytime smoky eye, but really light. Okay, perfect. And finally, I'm going to use the other end of that brush, this eyeshadow brush by EcoTools, and use this middle shade here. And I'm just gonna kind of put it over the whole thing to just kind of blend everything. Just gonna kind of pat it all around. Perfect, I like it. It's very subtle, but it's just a nice kind of rosy, warm color for fall. Okay, Now I'm going to go in with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and just put it around the corners of my face to warm my skin up. And then I'm also gonna do like an everyday contour on my cheekbones. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to use this Nars shade. It's a kind of a peachy rosy color, and I'm going to just swirl a blush brush and kind of smile and bring it all the way up. Okay, perfect. And then because I'm trying to keep this just a little bit more natural for a daytime fall look, I'm not going to put any extra mascara on my extensions, but I am going to take the CoverGirl Supersizer mascara and put it on my lower lashes. Okay. And then for my lip, I kind of want to do something a little bit nude, but also kind of along the rosier fall look. So one of my favorites is by Loreal, and it's called Saucy Mauve, and it's this kind of plum color. I'm almost dead, I need to get more, but I'm going to just put that on, and then I'm going to put a nude over it to kind of soften it and give it a little bit more like a shine. I just think that's such a pretty color. And then I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee to add that kind of nude gloss over it. All right, that's it. Super fast, but really pretty fall kind of rose gold pink everyday look. I love this. I feel like it is good on someone if you're more fair like I am, and like true nudes don't always work on you. This is kind of a nude pink look that you can go for. So I hope you enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I would love the support, and I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.